Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we discussed inside a home page showing the all the product like means recent product, and after we click on the load more products so we can redirect to search page. In last video we discussed. Now in this video we can continue, but we need to show using the like a category wise. Suppose you are click on the toy and games, so we need to show this product. Suppose I click on the sport and outdoor, so we need to show this product. Jewelry, so we can show this product. And once you can click on the load more products, so we can redirect for his page, so we can cover in this video. Before we can start this video, you are new in the channel or in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading here, so you always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here script. Okay, and also, do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. So let's start now. So what we can do, just you are click here, so we need to get his ID, and this ID again we need to get his product, and we need to show here 6-7 products. I think 1 2 3 4, so we can show 8 product in here. And after he can see it like a load more products button, he clicks, so it's going to his page. Okay, in this video I will cover. So first of all I need to open PHP my admin, and we need to get this click event inside a file. So just go to views, inside you can go to home.blade.php. After just scroll down, so you can see it, our code is available. Just scroll down. So let me search, so we can do it very quick, otherwise taking so much time. Just go, and here I can search here. So here you can see it, here is a category and here is a category, dollar category. Here we are getting the ID. So first of all we need to create a class. So what's the class name? Get category products. Whatever do you want to like, you can provide your class name. Okay, get category product, this is the my class name. And also I need to put here is one attribute, so just I can put data dot val. Inside I will pass for this ID, because this ID again I need to get the product, so just you can pass here ID. Okay, once you can click on this, click means this name, like here showing the name. 1 minute, here you can click here name, so we need to get his ID as an attribute like a data val, and after we can call the ajax and we need to get the data. So just scroll down in last, and here we need to declare section. Suppose you can go to products, inside you can go to list, so also you can find out here section. Just go to scroll down, so you can see it section. Just copy paste and put here, and just copy paste bottom. Now here we need to put section. Let's go back again, and we need to copy as a ajax code here. Also there some ajax code, so we don't want to write again. This is the reasons. Suppose do you want to write, so you can write it with your dependency. Suppose here not there, but I already got my ajax code. Just I copy and I can put here. First I need to start script, and I can put here code, and here I can change the class name. Okay, and also I can change here event, click event, and our attribute value we need to get, so AWT attributes, and here is there is a data val, like you can see it here. I can show you, so don't worry about that. You can see data val here there. Okay, so what we did, we have start the our delegate function with click events, and after we get here ID for the category ID. Let's comment out this code so I can explain better way, and here I can make category ID. Let's console log, so we can check we are getting the ID, cannot getting the ID. Okay, just save these files and just go back again and refresh the page, and you can check it is working, not working. I just back again, refresh the page, just go to console, and I click on the furnitures, so we are not getting the ID. Just go back up, and we are check why we are not getting the ID. Data wells, so we are not getting the click event, this is the problems. Okay, console logs, let's make it here console.log.hide. Okay, so we can check we are getting, cannot getting now. Just go back again. I just clear the cache because of I need to clear the cache and check it's working, not working. Okay, Just scroll down here, I click again. So you can see is a cache issue, this reason we are not getting, but once I have cleared the cache after working very well, you see I getting the ID 7 6, and also whatever print here high, this is the also printing. So here we are getting the ID for the category. Now I will make uncomment, and here is there is a like a URL, so we don't want to need this URL. Here also we need a token, so just leave it token, and inside the success message we don't want to need anything, so just remove. And here you can change ID to category ID. Now we need to put another URL here, so and our method is a post method. So let's go back again, we can check. So we can put recent arrival category. So just you can put like this, recent arrival home product. Okay, I think category products, not home product, category product. Now we need to create a new routes as a post method. Just go to routes, inside need to go to web.php and just scroll down. So here there is a home, whatever place there you can put here there. So just you can put bottom, so we know okay this is the home page route. Simple, you can add here, and also you can put here same. Okay, and here you can use like a post methods. Now inside home controller we need to create a new function, recent arrival category products. Just go to home app http controller, inside you can see home controller. Here you can see it home, just you can create a new function here, recent arrival category, and here you can put like a request dollar request, and you can put dd request all. So we can check here, we are getting the ID, cannot getting the ID. Okay, so let's try now, it's working, not working. Just go back again, refresh the page, and after I click on the category button, so just click here. So oh sorry, I am checking trend product last time, this reason is not working. Here I need to check, so you can see quality Ajax, you see quality Ajax, and here we are getting the ID of this category ID. Suppose I click here, so also I get the ID 8, you see. So means working very well, no any issue. Now we have already created last time for this function get products. Simple, you can copy paste here, and after you can go to product models, inside you can go to get recent arrival. Just go to product models, and here we can use a get request, so we already did, and here you can search new function get recent arrival. So simple, you need to put here condition, so just you can put like this, and you can start here again, and just remove this is the equal to sign. So here we need to put condition. What condition do you need? If is not empty request get category ID is going to inside, and here I can put condition. Suppose you can go scroll down, so you can see it, here is already condition there. So just copy and paste here, and you can change here category ID. So only one function working very well, we don't want to do anything. Just call here function, and this call function inside we have already declared here request, you can see it here. So this request against we are getting the product like a category ID wise, you can see is a condition done. Okay, and also we need to get here get category, because of we need to provide a one button click event. So just you can create a get category is equal to, you can make category models, and here you can do it get single, and just pass here whatever data you are getting here like a category ID you always getting, so just pass here. Let's go to category model, inside we can check get single there, so is already there. Suppose you follow this series, so everybody know what I explained. Okay, so it's already declared. Okay, now we are already get data here. Now we need to return the data using the Ajax, and Ajax can post inside a HTML. So let's scroll down, we can check like any place we have did inside code. So here is not there any codes, okay, for the return data. So just you can go to product controller, and product controller scroll down, so here you can see it all the data we have passed using the Ajax like this, you see. So just copy this code and you can put here get products. So just you can do get product, and next one we need to pass also get category. Okay, so now we need to create a new file inside a product. Suppose go to resources, here we already the list, but we need to create a new file. What is the new file? Like a category $list recent arrival. Why we need to create, I can explain, so don't worry about that. Okay, sorry, not dollar dash list recent arrival. Just copy this name and you can create a new file, and just you can do blade.php. Let's check first is working not working, after we can think it's good not good. Okay, so we can try to test first. File is already created, product inside. Also we have passed two parameters, we don't want to need pages, so just remove the page here. Just we have passed simple response back in JSON and success message inside view file. Also we have call and pass inside success. Let me check working not working. So just go back again, I just call here. So it's good, everything working very well, no any issue. You see it, you see. Now you can go to back again list.recent arrival, and also you need to go back again home.blade.php. Just scroll up. So here you can see it like our product. Here you can see category products. Okay, so this is the category products here available. So just you can copy like this one we need, button is not there, so we need to copy all thing and just cut all thing. Simple, you can cut and you can put inside recent arrival. Okay, first you can cut and put inside recent arrival. So you are getting the response back for whatever did inside all thing you are getting. So let's show you after you can decide. Just go back again and here click, so you can see all the response back. Here you can click, so all the response back. But whatever response we are getting back, we need to put directly here, because of now here no data. Let me refresh so you can understand better way. Just go back again, refresh the page, and let's scroll down for the recent arrival. Here I click here, so showing the blank. You see, because of Ajax calling also give the response back, but here not putting the response, so we need to put here response. So what we can do it, here is a already ID there, like a get top slug and app, but we need to create another class get product category products, and here you can put your ID like $category ID. Okay, so we need to create a new class. So this class again we need to put here HTML, whatever response you are get. So what we have did, first we have created a new class already there, but we have concat also ID. So just go scroll down, and here you can do get category products, and here you can concat your category ID, and after you can put here HTML response.success. Let's try it's working not working, so you can understand better way. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So just go up and scroll down. Here you can see. So you see you are getting the product. You see, you can see it's working very well, no any issue. You see. So now we need to put this is the product dynamic, because of other thing is done. So just scroll up, and we have already did inside a list time. Just scroll up and you can copy all thing here did. Just copy and you can remove list arrival inside whatever there, and you can put directly. Okay, what I did, whatever there inside a home.blade.php inside a product, just copy and I have put all thing here. Let's go back again, we can try it's working not working, because of list inside already done like a get products. You see all thing already there, so we don't want to do anything else, we have already common function there. Just go back again and you just click on the toy and games. So right now no any products, right now jewelry inside no any products, this reason not showing any products. You see, so product not available, this reason not showing, otherwise always available product, so we can see it here. And also you can see 200 response, so everything working very well. but we can log in as an admin and we can add a product. Before we can do, we need to sort out like a load more product. So also you get in here category like a home inside a get category. So just you can provide for this slug. So here you can change dollar category and here you can put like a slug, because of we have already passed inside list dot recent arrival. You can see it here. So we already passed like a slug. Let's go back and we can try it's working not working. Just you can click and here click on the load more. So you can see spot and outdoor is going, but here is a product not available, this reason not showing. Let me go back again and admin side and we can log in, we can add some products so I can show you proper way. Okay, otherwise everything is done, but we need to sort out is working not working. So let's log in here, because sometimes I forget 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I just log in. Okay, now I log in admin slash dashboard. You can see it. Now I'm going to products. So products inside we are not sure the category. I think we need to show here category so we know okay where is the my product there. Here showing the fashions. So our category, what is the home page inside category there? Just go scroll down, toys and games. So we can change here toys and games, and after you can choose here subcategory is not there. So we need to add first subcategory, otherwise let's check another sport and outdoors inside also subcategory not there. So let me add a here fashion inside a home page. Let's go to category and I just download for these images and I go to fashions. Where is the fashion? Here there. I just edit and I can upload the images here, so look like goods. And here is the shop now buttons and home screen do you want to show, so yes, and click on the update. Okay, so you can see it here, and let me edit this one. I don't want to show this spot, I just remove inside home screen, just update. Okay, so here showing the no, here showing the yes. Let's go to back home page and refresh the page here, so you can see it now fashion showing. Just click here, so fashion inside all the products available whatever there inside a home. This is the whole thing inside fashion there. This reason is a toy and games inside not there, this reason not showing. You see it's working very well. Is that toys and games inside? Let's add a one category. Just go to subcategory and we can create a one, add new category, and just you can use toys and games. Subcategory name I can use like a toys only, and here you can put like a toys. Whatever do you want to like you can do it, and just you can use like a toys and create. Okay, now you can go to product, because I need to show proper way these reasons I am doing. Just edit and now I can use like a toys and games. Now here the toys and I update the products. Now I go back here, refresh the page here, so just you can click on the toys game so you can find out products. You see, so means it's working very well. So suppose I'm going to fashion, so is a fashion inside also showing. So recent arrival product is work is done, you can see it here. But I have no some product not available these reasons, otherwise you are making like live projects, so 100% you can do it. Here also work like unsubscribe, subscribe means add to wish list, all things working very well. You don't want to worry about that. You see, remove, suppose after you click again, suppose you click again, so automatic subscribe means add to wish list, everything working. Here also review show works. So next video we can continue trend products, because of recent arrival product work done, recent arrival products, and now we need to work trend products. So next video we can continue trend products, same thing we can do, but it's a different way work. First we need to sort out admin side work, and after we can do front side work. I will show you step by step, so don't worry about that. And do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching Error Solutions.